So a very quick unboxing of a pair of IEMs by Moondrop technology company. So Moondrop Audio have been in the industry for a while in the tri-fi segment, doing quite a lot of IEMs as well as a few other things like amplifiers and a few headphones. So this is the Droplet USB Type C IEM. So there's a better picture of what it looks like on the back with a frequency response graph. This is the Droplet USB-C balanced armature driver IEMs. So I have been using these for a while. This is just an unboxing to show how they're displayed in the box. Pretty beautiful packaging actually. I've only owned one other pair of Moondrop IEMs, which is the Moondrop Chew, and I moved on from those to these, and I got these second hand. So 3-body design, so there's a lot of references to that. I think these featured in some kind of movie or TV series in China, so there's a few references to 3-body. So you have a little carrying pouch here with a few ear tips. I have changed ear tips actually to silicone. I just prefer these, but these are the squishy memory foam types. So they give you 3 sizes, but I've got one on a desk downstairs as I've swapped them out to silicone tips. So they come in that pouch, which is a Forks leatherette type design. And then you have a dog tag actually, which is interesting. So it's marked as the Droplet 3-body on the back. Not too interested in that stuff, but there's also a dog tag chain, and then you have the actual IEMs themselves underneath here. So like I said, I have been using these, but I just put these back to show how they're boxed. Actually quite a beautiful design on these IEMs, even without the earbuds attached. So nice cord, doesn't tangle too easily, although I just had to put it in a box pretty quickly for this video. So that is the plug on the end, so it just goes straight into a USB Type-C phone and it will play audio out of it. So that's how it works. It comes with a inline microphone as well as volume up and volume down, and that is effectively the IEM. Then at the rest of the box you have a couple of papers, you have a postcard, QC Pass label, a plastic card with I believe some footage from the TV show, and just a warranty card basically. Yeah. Not much to it. How to wear storage of earphones, notice after sale terms, and that is basically it. And a little Moondrop Audio authenticity card, I think. And there's also one on the side of the box here as well. Yep, there. So that is basically it, and I've put these ear tips on, and they actually sound pretty good. They're not too expensive. I got them secondhand, and they sound pretty good for, I think it's a single BA driver. Beautiful design, and the reason I got it is because with most phones these days there's no 3.5mm jack, so you just plug this one in and away you go. And the volume controls and microphone, I've done one video call on this and no complaints, it all works pretty well. Obviously it's probably not the best sounding IEM, but for the price it's I'd say it's good value for money. You just need to get a ear tip you like for the best sound isolation you can get. I'll leave it at that for this one.